is an important day in the journey of the telecom sector in India. The Prime Minister has envisioned that the telecom sector will be the carriageway for the digital future of India. And towards that goal and that mission, all of our TSPs, our telecom service providers, are working earnestly to provide that carriageway for 140 crore Indians across the length and breadth of our country. In the pursuit of that goal, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, our government-owned telco, has in this quarter, which is the third quarter of FY 24-25, for the first time in 17 years, posted a profit on a quarterly basis. The last time that BSNL posted a quarterly profit was in the year 2007. BSNL, in the earnings announced today, has posted a quarterly profit of close to 262 crores. And that is the bottom line, not only on an operating basis in terms of EBITDA margins, but on a net profit basis. Its three line functions of cellular income, FTTH and lease lines, all three have grown at 15%, 18% and 14% respectively. And along with this growth, there has also been an increase in the number of subscribers from 8.4 crores in June of this year to roughly about close to 9 crores in December of this year. BSNL has also reduced its losses and provided new services with 7 new product offerings for its subscribers across the length and breadth of the country, whether it's free spam-free network, national Wi-Fi roaming, IFTV, anytime SIM kiosks, direct-to-device services, public protection and disaster relief, and the first private 5G service in mines.